selected officers.
Selected officers for the Squadron of the Council of Legion.
Squadron 43. Excellent.
Squadron 43.
Thank you, Sergeant at Arms. Before I get this started, I would like all of you to, for the rest of us here, if you could announce your name and the position that you've been elected to, and we're going to start right here, please.
David Gibson, Commander.
Yay!
Glenn Schecter, First Vice Commander. James Carmichael, Second Vice Commander.
Tom Urich, Historian.
Ben Schecter, Chaplain.
James Balesh, Finance Officer.
You have been chosen to fill the various offices of this squadron. You will, I know, vindicate the trust that has been reposed in you and fulfill in every way the obligations that trust entails. You will at once familiarize yourselves with the duties of the particular offices, and you will proceed upon those duties in the same spirit of devotion and endeavor that characterized your father's service in any of the great wars, out of which came their basis for membership in the American Legion and your own in the Sons of the American Legion. You must know that the welfare and success of this squadron depends largely on you, and you must know also that upon your shoulders equally rests the burden of preserving the integrity of the Sons of the American Legion. You must protect and advance its good name before the people of this community, state, and nation. You must exalt in their eyes. You must make them know, as we know, its purpose and its policy. Forever remember the tolerant spirit that animates its members. There is no rank among us, for each serves as the equal of his comrade, and all strive towards the same goal, which is the realization in the life of the Republic of the ideals of justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty. Forever remember that the cardinal purposes of the Sons of the American Legion are the care of the dependents of those who have answered the final call, and of those who are now suffering from disease and want. Rightful education of the children of our country, and the devotion and devoted service to the community, state, and nation.